Alright, so we got a Whirlpool microwave. The complaint on this one, the light stays on. And the reason for that, customers sometimes they like to leave the microwave with the light on, and that will kill your board. It damages the triac, which is the portion on the board that is responsible for the light. Now, pretty straightforward. It's the main board, we're going to replace it. Now to do that, you will need a Phillips screwdriver after you unplug the microwave. Insert the screwdriver and you'll remove the screw, lift up, and you'll have a ground wire which is green. After you undo the wires, you unplug, pay attention to the wires where you remove them from so that it makes reassembling a lot easier. That's the ribbon. You have 2 tabs, push them up and then pull the ribbon out. After that, install your new board and reinstall your ground strap. Now on your new board, it will be missing a connector. Don't be alarmed. It's going to be a white wire. And once everything's back together, you just discard. You can just set it aside, that wire. Set it aside. It is no longer needed. The new board is updated and it will be just fine. So lift and set it back in. Install your screw. Plug your microwave in. Check your work. Don't forget to set the time and you should be good to go. I will leave a link to the board. As you can see, unit is tighten the bulb. And guys, don't use LED bulbs in your microwave unless yours is designed to use it. They will not work regular incandescent or what you need. All right, thanks for watching.